What's up, everybody? This is FS Skiing, and we're here with the crew. We got Dylan, we got Damon, and we got Brady. We're here at Granite Peak, and to be honest, it's a little bit warm out. It's like skiing through slush, but you want to know what? It's okay, because we're out here with all the boys, and it's super bright out, so it's nice.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today we're at Granite Peak with Brady, Dylan. Who are you?
Mountain builder.
So we've already been skiing for a little bit, and the conditions are amazing. Mashed potatoes, fully loaded, but it's really hot. The temperature, like I'm in a long sleeve and my new Snowpants I just got, which is pretty sick.
Love.
And we're at Granite Peak because it's my birthday on Wednesday, and it's a birthday bash. We all came out here for my birthday because I really wanted to ski my birthday, but it's the last weekend. Even though that it's FS Ski, we got a snowboarder. Boo!
Yeah!
I'll see you guys on the outro. I hope you guys like this video. Peace.
Enjoy the video.
Dylan, what's your favorite type of pizza?
My sausage pepperoni. No way.
Yeah, he sent it.
What happened, Hayden? Hayden, what happened?
What's up, everybody? Way future Hayden here, the snowboarder in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, Granite Peak was our last day on the snow, but we'll have other seasons. It was a great day last day, as best as we could ask for. Even though the season is over, the videos are not. There'll be videos on the summer setup coming up. We'll have Damon and his tramp skis. We'll make a couple videos of that. Maybe videos on the tow rope and the backyard setup. That's outside of the summer setup. That's in the way back of Dylan's yard. It was one hell of a season. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment your favorite hill. You guys know mine. If you've seen my comments, it's always Cascade Mountain. Thank you guys.